Hey guys, it's Alex for Visordown.com. Let's take a look at the latest updates to the 2021 Indian FTR range. The Indian FTR is a bike born on the dirt with a rich heritage in American flat track racing. First released in early 2019, the line has now received a raft of updates for the 2021 market, leaving us with a higher spec, dynamic and more refined version of the iconic street tracker. While styling of bikes is very much a subjective thing, I think we can all agree these look the absolute nuts. For me, Indian have got the street style spot on here, but have also given it the performance to match. It's always been a two-wheel grin factory, and the planned 2022 FTR range, which is actually the 2021 range, it's a long story, don't ask, is no longer. The new wheels should open up the door for owners to pick from a wider choice of tyres, but it will roll out of the factory with top spec NACELLE Sportec tyres. But it could also make the new machine the sharpest stopping, fastest accelerating and most grin-inducing version of the bike to date. Power, and plenty of it. The 1203cc liquid-cooled V-twin produces 120 brake horsepower and 120 Nm of torque at 6,000 RPM. An engine that is shared across the range of FTR models. It's plenty for the road, whether it's for a weekend jaunt on the local twisties or for the daily commute. Now, if you get this as a daily commuter, you are actually my hero. Also accompanying the new updates is fully adjustable suspension across the range, something that was previously reserved for the top tiers of FTR ownership. If you're really looking for the top of the range spec and ultimate bragging rights at the pub, you'll be looking for the FTR R Carbon, which comes with adjustable OHLINS suspension front and rear, which offer 120mm of travel. Matching the suspension of the new range of bikes is the revised geometry, with the new bikes running a steeper rake angle of 25 degrees and a shorter trail of 99.9mm. The smaller wheels, along with the bike's new front and rear suspension, now contribute to the lower seat height by 36mm, bringing the seat height to 780mm in total. This gives more riders the option of throwing their leg over the FTR and having a go themselves. Now, not to mention the fuel tank has also been strategically relocated under the seat, bringing the centre of gravity even lower, therefore improving the balance of weight and cornering stability. Furthering the control of the bike is also the Pro Taper handlebars, which have been trimmed by 40mm to support the nimble handling and give riders that bit more control. Aside from the chassis updates, the entire FTR range now features cylinder deactivation, something that is extremely handy if you're caught sitting in traffic for a long period of time. So let's take a look at the individual Indian 2021 models and what they bring to the table. First up is the FTR. The base FTR features an analog gauge and is available in black smoke with red accents throughout, including red pinstripes on the wheels, red Indian motorcycle script branding across the tank, and a red rear shock spring. The base FTR is also available in a reduced power version for A2 compliance, so A2 riders can get a bit of action here on the FTR range as well. This one will be on the road for around £12,299. Next up we have the FTR S, with two paint options, maroon metallic and white smoke. The premium offering includes Indian Motorcycle's 110mm or 4.3 inch touchscreen display, which offers phone integration via Bluetooth or USB and configurable gauges. The FTR S comes standard with an upgraded AKRAPOVIC exhaust, 3 rider modes, wheelie control with rear lift mitigation, stability control, traction control and cornering ABS. Additionally, a fast charging USB port provides convenient means to charge the personal devices you might have with the bike. The FTRS is set at £13,699. Then we have the FTR Rally. Maintaining its scrambler aesthetic, the FTR Rally features Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tyres over wire spoke wheels with an 18-inch in the rear and 19-inch in front. Like other FTR models, the FTR Rally receives the refined engine calibration and throttle response, along with rear cylinder deactivation. The FTR Rally's Pro Taper handlebars are 50mm or 2 inches higher than the other FTR models for better comfort and handling with a more relaxed ergonomic position. The FTR Rally features an analog gauge and is available in titanium smoke. Like the base FTR, the FTR Rally is also available in a reduced power version for the A2 compliant market. You can pick up an FTR Rally for around £12,999. Last up, the FTR R Carbon. The FTR R Carbon sits at the top of the list as the premium model in the FTR lineup. In addition to the aforementioned features listed with the FTRS, the FTR R Carbon sets itself apart with carbon fibre tank covers, front fender and headlight nacelle, fully adjustable OHLINS gold front forks and gold piggyback shock, a black AKRAPOVIC exhaust, premium seat cover and numbered badging on the console. This one really does look head and shoulders above the rest for me, but that's just my personal opinion. The price tag for an FTR R Carbon is set at £15,599. So if you've got an extra couple of grand lying about, this one might be for you. So if your head is turned on one of these, it's probably worth going to look at one in person to really get the feel of the bike. I put my money on you coming back from a test ride with an almighty smile on your face. So that's the latest FTR range from Indian. What do you think about it? Is it the perfect flat tracker for you? Or does the latest update leave you feeling a bit, well, flat? So let us know what you think in the comments down below. You should also subscribe and click on the notification bell to keep up to date with us here at Visordown. We've got plenty on the way for you in 2021 with reviews, releases and the latest news to keep you updated in the motorcycling world. If your motorcycle scratch hasn't quite been itched, you should definitely check out our Instagram page. We'll be regularly updating content over there with behind the scenes look at what we're up to, what we're reviewing and what we're basically going to be looking at in 2021. It's definitely worth following us over there. And of course this is all when we're allowed back outside to play. Other than that, take care for now and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.